Alright. Alright, now we're on chapter 7, n-word and rational exponent. Let's look at the definition of square root. You guys knew that, okay? But I'm just rewriting this. The square root of a number is a value that when multiplied itself gives the number. Okay, for example, square root of 4 is 2. The value that multiplies itself is the number.
So
That's the square root. Okay? Same goes to the cube root. You can just sub that in. The cube root of a number is a value that when multiplied itself 3 times, it gives a number.
Can you take a quadruple root?
maybe like a.
Oh.
It
Like
just,
4.
It just keeps going.
4 root.
It will go on.
Yeah.
So let's say, for example,
How do you do that on your calculator?
You
we'll
can't.
move on later.
It's-
Let's do this one. Understand it on the concept first. So square root of 27, the cube root of 27 is 3. Well, multiply 3 times by itself, it gives the number, right? So let's move on. Fourth will be the same definition, but multiply itself 4 times, right? So n-word, let's look at the definition. You can repeat the same thing. The n-word of a number is a value that multiplies itself n times. Then it gives a number. Look at this way. You want to take a n-word of b is equal to a, and just like what we did before with the square root and cube root, it's a multiply n times.
Then what
Get
is b equal
b.
to?
Well, whatever the n time a raised to the power of n times, it will be b. So a is the nth word of b. And another definition for it is the inverse of raising a power to the nth, no, I'm sorry, the inverse of raising the number to an n power is finding the n word of the numbers, their inverse. So let's say if I take the fifth word of 32 is 2. 2 is the fifth root of 32, right? If you look at this one, 2 raised to the fifth power is 32. It's the inverse. Do you see that? Everybody, do you see that? It's just a matter of wording, but I think you understand. Okay?
Mm-hmm.